doubt-proof mindset. How to make decisions fast without losing your compassion. The unshakable warrior. Cultivating strategic strength and sacred tenderness. O guerrero inabolable. Desenvolvendo força estratégica e tenura sagrada. Introduction. The divine tension. In our polarized world that celebrates either ruthless ambition or fragile sensitivity, Scripture unveils a radical third way. Jesus Christ, the ultimate paradox, stormed the temple with a whip, John 2, verse 15, yet tenderly washed Judas' feet, John 13, verse 5. His life models what Matthew 10, verse 16 commands. Be shrewd as serpents and innocent as doves. This isn't balance. It's a supernatural fusion of steel and velvet in the soul. Part 1. Forging a battle-ready mind. Biblical blueprints. David's memory muscle. 1 Samuel 17, his famous victory, began with recalling God's past faithfulness, lions, bears, before facing Goliath. Notice his framing. You come with sword and spear, but I come in the name of the Lord. A mental shift from giant to God. Nehemiah's laser focus. When mocked, he declared, I am doing a great work. I cannot come down. Nehemiah 6, verse 3. His secret? Clarity of mission trumped critics' noise. Practical training camp. The 10-second decision filter. Does this align with my divine assignment? Will this choice honor Christ in 10 years? Information warfare tactics. Silence social media after 8 p.m. Use app blockers. Curate a wisdom council of 3 trusted advisors. Proverbs 15, verse 22. Failure, alchemy. Transform mistakes into mentors by journaling. What did this teach me about God's character? My growth areas. Part 2. Guarding a shepherd heart. Danger zones. The success trap. James 2, verses 15 to 16, building empires while stepping over the needy. The stone mask. Mistaking emotional detachment for spiritual maturity. Heart preservation kit. Compassion calisthenics. Monthly. Serve at homeless shelters. Proverbs 19, verse 17. Weekly. Write one encouragement letter. 1 Thessalonians 5, verse 11. Raw prayer journals. Like David's Psalms. Voice anger, fear, and joy to God. Psalm 142, verse 2. Visual triggers. Place a small cross or family photo on your work desk. A reminder of who you're fighting for. Part 3. Battle-tested case studies. The CEO disciple. Tough decision. Layoffs to save 100 other jobs. Tender response. Fun career coaching plus 3-month severance. Scriptural model. Joseph storing grain for famine. Genesis 41. The father general. Discipline. Clear consequences for disobedience. Love. Immediate affirmation. Nothing changes my love for you. Biblical parallel. The prodigal son's father. Luke 15, verse 20. The pastor strategist. Doctrinal defense. Correcting false teaching. Galatians 1, verse 8. Nurturing care. Visiting sick members at midnight. Apostolic example. Paul's tears over Ephesus. Acts 20, verse 31. Part 4. Sustainable warfare rhythms. Daily drills. Morning armoring. 5 minutes. Read 1 proverb. Declare. Today I lead with wisdom and love. Rehearse a tough conversation with grace. Evening debrief. Where did I advance the kingdom today? Who needed compassion I missed? When you fall. Decision fatigue. Claim Lamentations 3 verses 22 to 23. Mercies renew at dawn. Heart calluses. Pray Ezekiel 36 verse 26 on your chest. Replace my stone heart with flesh. Conclusion. The dual-wield lifestyle. You're called to be both architect and medic. Building God's kingdom with one hand while binding wounds with the other. Like Christ who predicted Peter's denial, strategic mind. Restored in post-resurrection, tender heart. Your mind discerns battles. Your heart preserves souls. Together, they make you unstoppable.